Ship is going to fall into the trench. It's got a long way to go before it has to climb back up. There we go. Half of it's completely submerged. It's still staying watertight. And then here we go. It's going to climb out of the wave here. It's going to do a full flip. Will it do a full flip? No, it's going to do a full 180. It won't complete the flip, unfortunately. Got a lot of hang time. It's going to go nose first back into the water. And then here we go. Here's the bend. Oh, look at that. It's going to make it. Oh, look at that bend. There's a bend. And there we go. It will survive that one.